Big wings. Big wings. Big wings. Good boy. Big wings. Big wings. Big wings. Keep them out. Good job. Big wings. Big wings. Good boy. Good job. Way to go, Pickles. That's teaching Pickles how to do big wings. Big wings. Keep them out. Big wings. Good job, Pickles. Big wings. What pretty. What a big bird. You have some big ass wings. You got some big wings, boy. Yes. Good job. Big wings, Pickles. Big wings. Yes. Good boy, Pickles. Show us your big wings. Good boy. So you can see we got big wings here. Yes, you do. Good job. You can see you don't even notice it anymore. You have that sitting right beside you. Yes. Because you're so worried about those big wings. Good boy, Mr. Pickles. Yes. Mommy's got all this all over there. Look at that. You got to get this onto that foot. Right, Pickles? Can we do it? What's that, huh? You're so used to it now. Oh, it's been about a week almost. Tomorrow will be a week. Big wings. Yes. Huh? Mrs. Pickles having a little shower. Getting ready to get his nails trimmed. Right, Pickles? He's a good boy. Put his little foot thing on it today. Good boy, Pickles. Good boy.
Pickles. Okay, we're done with that one. It's okay. There's my boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Oh, you're holding too tight. Come on. Okay. Oh. He's okay. Yeah, it says you. Okay, big guy. Hey, Mr. Pickles. Good boy. Yes, you are.
He was like, don't you hold me like that. And now he has a little pink thing on his foot. See how long before he even notices it. For now, we're just going to leave that on his foot.
There we go. Big wings.
Big wings?
Big wings.
Go to Mommy, please.
Big wings.
Tell Mommy you love her. Don't give her no more scratches.
Don't you get me in that picture.
You're not in the picture, just Pickles.
Big wings.
This is about people.
Good
You're in
boy.
the window.
Big wings.
Big wings, good boy.
What a good boy, Mr. Pickles. Yeah, he's a good boy. We have to do your other foot, though.
There it is, 5 minutes, Pickles. That's a long time for that today. And we will take it off now. Okay? Good boy, Pickles. You notice that thing on your foot.